Today I'm going to be showing you a bunch of stuff that I bought from Supercheap Auto and making room for the new car, which I'm also going to show you. Okay, so first thing is I bought a tool chest. It's Stanley. I like Stanley. I don't know why. Just because a lot of their tools are black and I think they're kind of cool. It was really cheap from Supercheap. It was on sale. It was like half price. Can't remember the price, but I'll put it somewhere. Anyway, got this. It's pretty simple. I haven't even opened it up yet. I've still got stuff to assemble with it. Just got 2 drawers and a cabinet. So pretty simple, pretty small, but it's going to do me nicely. I'll find somewhere to sit it on my bench over there once I make some space. Another thing that I bought, which I've already got sitting in here, is a spanner set. Ratchet spanners. Because ratchet spanners are the best things ever. And these are just Tool Pro. Nothing crazy, nothing special, but they're going to be awesome. So I got a metric set of them. And I will put that back in. So that's going to help me get a lot of my work done, even just them 2 things. Having the tool cabinet to keep everything organized and actually having the metric spanner set is going to get a lot of stuff done. So the next thing I bought is a creeper. Haven't even opened it yet. It's just the Supercheap Auto brand. It was on sale as well. I believe it was almost half price as well. I would have got the slightly better one, but it was way more expensive because this was so cheap. This is going to be amazing because crawling around on the ground kind of sucks. As you can see, I'm already wearing some. I bought some black nitrile. I don't know how you say that. Some black gloves because, well, getting greasy hands all the time is just difficult, and it's just so much easier when you've got gloves. I don't know. I like gloves. Some people don't. I'm gonna keep wearing them. Ear protection. My ears are not the best from some of the industries that I've worked in, so I'm making sure that while I'm at home, I'm wearing ear protection. I was actually supposed to wear these yesterday when I did the yard, and forgot that I bought them. So, got them. Microfiber cloths. They're just amazing for cleaning up your car, really. I mean, I'm going to be buying a bunch of other products to actually clean whatever cars I work on, and these were on sale once again. So I picked them up while I could. Microfiber cloth. Can't go wrong. Tire shine. Once again, on sale, was going to get some anyway. Making tires shiny is kind of underrated. It makes the car look much better. And so I'm going to go with that. Pretty random, but I got a couple of buckets. Buckets just will always come in handy, and they were ridiculously cheap. I think they were like 50 cents each or something. So I got a couple of buckets. Didn't choose the color. They chose the color for me because I ordered it online. I don't care about the color. Anyway, buckets. They'll always come in handy. Degreaser. I got 5 cans of this because it was like a bundle deal. Once again, got it for really cheap because I bought 5 of them. That was like the special deal they had going on. Degreaser is always going to be handy. You can just use it on engine bays, use it on parts that you've taken off to degrease. Funny that. Pretty big on garage cleanliness and organization. You wouldn't be able to tell that because I haven't gotten into it yet. But a huge dustpan, so I will try to keep everything nice and tidy. Dustpan and brush. I feel like that's a no-brainer when you're trying to keep things nice and tidy. And basically to go with that, a broom. For anyone who's seen my first video, you already know that I have a shop vac that I just put together in the last video. Together with all this stuff, I should be able to keep the floor nice and tidy. That was basically it from everything that I bought from Supercheap Auto. Unless I'm forgetting something or missing something, but it was all here. I kept it here. So hopefully that was everything. Anyway, I wanted to get that done and out of the way real quick because I'm pretty excited for the next part, which is bringing the new car into the workspace. And I'll show you that. I just need to quickly move all that stuff that you see me move in the other video somewhere else so I can bring the car in, and then I'm going to move it back there again. So it'll be quick for you, won't be fun for me. so this is it. This is the new car. This is the project. Sorry, I've got my lights here so you can see it. Okay, so it is a Ford Territory. It's a 2005 Ford Territory, and it has a multitude of things that I need to work on. But hey, I got it for cheap, and that's the whole reason why I bought it. So let me just go through a quick few things. I'm not going to go through everything. None of the electric windows work, and this one in particular has lost traction of its rails in there and doesn't even hold itself up. So that will be some sort of wiring issue. Obviously this is a mechanical thing, maybe a bolt's come loose or something. I'll have to take the door cards out and have a look. It does have a few body issues, such as it's got some scraping on the left-hand rear fender here. It's also got, if you can see it in the dark, you probably can't, it does have a ding on the other side here in the right-hand rear fender. Apparently there's a pretty common issue here, is this rear hinge breaks. They've tried to fix it with something because this rear window is supposed to open up without having to open the whole boot. Apart from that, it's missing a couple of, this one's not missing, but it's missing a couple of these things from the middle of the wheels. It is missing its Ford badge from the front, if I can talk properly. The bonnet, the roof, and a couple of other spots around the car need to be resprayed. I'm not sure if I'll get away with polishing and just respraying with clear, or if I'll need to respray them areas with the actual colour. We'll see what I can get away with. Apart from that, there's a couple of little minor scuffs on the mirrors here. One of the bigger problems is actually the aircon inside the car. Let me just... The interior is not too bad, needs a bit of a clean. It does have 7 seats, you can't see it at the moment because the parcel shelf is in the way. It does have 7 seats. So the biggest problem inside the car is that the passenger side blows cold air from the aircon, which is great, works fine. The driver's side blows hot air. So there's a couple of different things that could be, and I'm going to go through them in another video. I'll be working on that. The steering wheel has seen better days, and I might see if I can get a replacement for that. But apart from that, I mean, that is quite the list, I understand, and there probably is a couple of other things as well. But apart from that, that's basically all that's wrong with the car. And I'm thinking it should come up pretty good. There's nothing wrong with the engine, nothing wrong with the transmission. It is in all-wheel drive. So that's the new car. It's going to give me plenty to do, plenty to work on. I'm excited for it. I actually really like the car. I don't mind the Ford Territory. There's a lot of SUVs around that I just think are a bit, am I allowed to say girly? I don't know, but I think the Ford Territory is not too bad. It's got 7 seats, family, possibly growing family, things like that. Yeah, I'm talking like we're going to keep it. We may or may not keep it. It depends how much it costs me to get it to the point where I am happy with it. If it costs me a lot of money and I'm basically breaking even for if I had just bought one secondhand in good condition, we'll keep it. If I am able to fix it up for pretty cheap and make a little bit of a profit on it, I'll sell it and upgrade it. If we keep it, I'm bringing the red car in here once this is all done, and that will be my project car, and I'll do that up and sell it. I've already got a bunch of parts and stuff to do on the red car, so whether it stays for longer or whether it goes soon, I'll be working on it. So there will also be some new videos. I don't know when, because this is probably going to take a little while. I've already contacted some people about some parts that I need for this, but we'll see how we go. So that's the new car, Ford Territory 2005. I'm pretty stoked about it. My girlfriend's really happy about it, and it's an exciting little adventure that I'm about to go on. So my next video will be about organizing the workshop and about a very important tool in your workshop, possibly the most important tool and also one of the cheapest. So look out for that. If you guys are enjoying the first couple of videos, make sure to subscribe so you get to see the rest of them. Leave comments if you have any sort of comments about anything. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.